my name is Harry and welcome to my channel Tech with Harry. Today we will be doing an unboxing of OnePlus 8 Pro. Let's get started. So guys, here I have the box and I have already set up the phone and I will be showing you the contents of the box in the video. So guys, here is all you get in the box. Let's get started. First we have the document that shows us the SAR value for the head and the body. Next we have recycling documentation. Next we have the pamphlet with red cable card. And here we have the invitation letter from the CEO of OnePlus, that is Pete Lau, along with the SIM ejector tool. So SIM ejector tool is present at the bottom, which will help us to insert SIMs, and there are 2 SIM slots in the phone. Furthermore, we have 2 more documents. One is a safety information and the other one is a quick start guide. And at last we have OnePlus branded 9 stickers. And next we have a typical red charging cable from OnePlus, which is a USB to Type-C. And next we have the Warp Charge 30 in the box that charges the phone very quickly. And next we have the cover. So here is the right side of the cover, the back, and this is the right side. The cuts are precise. Here is the bottom, the left. One important thing guys, there is a camera bump that protects your camera every time, and here is the top with the microphone. So guys, here is the overview of the device. It's a black device, so it does attract a lot of dust and fingerprint smudges, so be careful. Since I like to keep my phone spick and span, I would recommend you to have this phone always in the cover. The cutouts are pretty precise, and since it's a curved screen, it is well protected. So I would say the quality of the cover is pretty nice, so my recommendation will always be to use a cover. So guys, here is a quick comparison between the OnePlus 7, which is my previous device, and the OnePlus 8 Pro, which will be my new device. And we do see the camera bump has actually increased from the previous generation. At the bottom we have the speaker grill, the charging port, the primary mic and SIM tray. And on the right we have the power button to lock, unlock, and the alert slider. And at the top we have the secondary microphone. On the left we have the volume rockers. So this is the first time a OnePlus device is actually supporting a reverse wireless charging along with the wireless charging, and I have checked it with my Samsung Note 8, which supports wireless charging. So in OnePlus 8 Pro we have a quad camera setup with 48 megapixel main camera, which is a new sensor. Then we have a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is a previous sensor from OnePlus 7 Pro, and an 8 megapixel hybrid zoom along with a 5 megapixel color filter, which is currently disabled by OnePlus. And here we have the camera app for the OnePlus 8 Pro. And guys, I've taken all the samples from all the modes, so do check them out later in the video along with the video shot from the camera itself. So guys, I played some PUBG on the OnePlus 8 Pro on the HD and extreme settings, and there were no frame drops or lags. In fact, I did some in-game footage recording, which is there in the video. Do check it out.
Marked a location. Marked a location. Marked a location.
So guys, this was my first attempt on an unboxing video and a review. I hope you enjoyed my video and it was helpful to you. So guys, I have been using this phone for the past 10 days and I just have to say one thing, it's a great phone. So in case you want to buy a flagship, just go for it, don't think twice. The overall performance has been great for the phone in terms of camera, battery and gaming as well. And if you like this video, do hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and do share your thoughts in the comment section so that I can work to improve my videos better for you. Stay safe, stay indoors and have a great year ahead. Thank you.